In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert versions in Lovable. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone new to using this platform, reverting to a previous version can be a lifesaver, particularly if you've made changes that didn't quite work out as planned. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're comfortable with restoring those previous versions whenever necessary. First, you'll want to navigate to your project dashboard by heading over to the Lovable website. Once there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find an option labeled All Projects. Click on this option. This action will take you to a list showcasing all the projects you have been working on, helping you quickly identify the one you'd like to revert. After opening the All Projects section, the next step is to select the specific project you're interested in. As you glance through the list, keep an eye out for the project's unique name. It should stand out based on the work you've done before. Simply click on the project title to open it. This is where you'll find all the details and the most vital steps in the version history. Once inside the project, direct your attention towards the top of the screen. Look for an icon that resembles a clock. This represents the View History feature. Clicking on this icon will unveil a comprehensive list of all the versions that have been created for this particular project. The visual cue of a clock icon is there to remind you that this is where past actions are chronologically stored. Now that you've accessed the version history, you'll see a list of all the different versions listed in sequence. Go through these versions to find the specific one you want to revert to. Once you've made your selection, you'll see an arrow icon, often displayed as an undo or revert arrow, adjacent to your chosen version. Click on this arrow, which indicates the action of going back to that previous state. Finally, after you've verified that this is indeed the version you want to return to, you will see a Revert button. Clicking this button completes the action, effectively taking your project back to your chosen previous state. Always remember to confirm your selection before hitting that Revert button to avoid any unintended data changes. Reverting versions in Lovable is a straightforward process when you follow these clear steps. It's incredibly handy when you need to undo changes and get back to a point where everything was working perfectly. With practice, you'll become more adept at using these features, ensuring your projects are always on the right track. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.